Right, we're ready with the toss. The two captains are out here. Jeff Crow is the match referee. Shant has got the coin, and Shant to call. Heads is a call, and Jeff will confirm whether it's a head or a tail. It's head. Pakistan have won. What have you decided to do?
We're going to have a ball first.
Yeah, it looks pretty green, and maybe forces you to change your plan and strategy a little, because at home you've been playing with two spinners. Now it's got to do something with more pace.
I think pretty much what we expected, and that's why we brought in a squad where we have all options, and you just want to see how it plays, and then obviously once the first two innings are concluded, then we'll have a shape of the game.
I mean, two test match series can be a bit of a challenge because it's a different kind of a setup. So no loosener, you've got to hit the road running.
Absolutely.
And so, I mean, you've got to get it cracking straight away.
Absolutely, the start's always important, and carrying the momentum into the second test match is very important. But again, we have to play it day by day, and let's see how we go bowling first.
We hear that you've got two debutants playing today. Tell us a bit about them.
Very exciting. Azanu West makes his debut as an opener. He's been a very consistent performer in domestic cricket. He's come through the pathway of the under-19s on the way to domestic red ball cricket, has had two solid seasons, and Abdullah Fazil scored a century and won man of the match in the recently concluded Quaid-e-Azam Trophy, and top scored in the President's Trophy. So he'll bat number 3. So we're very excited. Unfortunately, Babar's out. It's a late call. We can't take a risk with him, but we're excited about the two debutants.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Najmul, I mean, the scenario has changed absolutely, dramatically for Bangladesh. No more square turners. You've got a lot of grass on this track. Your thoughts regarding the pitch?
Looks pretty good wicket. I think if you look at last few matches, especially in one-day cricket, it's pretty good wicket to bat, and then credit goes to Tommy.
Yeah, I mean, so you've got the firepower. Obviously, you know, Nahid Rana is someone who can absolutely electrify the situation and the environment. You know, you're looking forward to your pace attack doing the job.
Yeah, obviously, I think looking at all the seamers, they're in good shape. Taskin back into the squad, very much experience, and then Rana, he is in good form. Ebadot coming back to the side. So really happy to get those seamers, and then I hope they will do something special for the team.
And start of a new season for Bangladesh as well. You want to be upwardly mobile, right, in this calendar year?
Yeah, obviously, I think very important, especially this series, playing in home condition. It's important, but we have to play some good cricket, and then I hope the boys prepare themselves pretty well, and I will do something good for this series.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Right, it's Pakistan who won the toss and have elected to bowl on a greenish pitch.